Is selling AI art on Etsy dead in 2024? Well, this graph doesn't really look dead to me, but did this store actually make any money? In this video, I'm gonna show you the results we got from a brand new store that I helped to build that is purely selling products that are using AI generated images. That includes products like clip art, digital paper, but also AI prompts. And if you stick to the end, I'm gonna show you the actual results, how much money this store has generated. So a couple weeks ago, I was approached by my friend, and that I'm gonna call in this video Mr. M. If you're watching this, Mr. M, you know exactly who I'm talking about. Hey. And he was interested in building an Etsy store that is selling AI generated images. And of course, without any hesitation, my first reaction was to refuse his request. I know, I should be a good friend and help him. But then he reached out to me again and he asked that he's interested, and I decided to beat my laziness and actually help him out. And by the way, I also told him that if he would join my YouTube membership, he will gain a lot of valuable information about selling AI generated images. Just saying. So the first thing we did is we tried to come up what type of products we're gonna sell. And as I said earlier, on Etsy you can sell clip art, which are basically images of objects or animals, sometimes even humans, that people use to create stickers and some digital products they work on and things of the nature. It's kind of popular. Then there's also something called digital paper, which is extremely popular during the Christmas season. And lucky enough, he created this store around Christmas season. So digital paper seemed like a good option to start selling, because digital paper is a paper that people buy to then print it out and use it as a wrapping paper for gifts. You can also just sell AI prompts itself. So if you use softwares like Midjourney, the AI image generator, some people are lacking the creativity and they want to buy the prompts that will give them the specific results they're looking for. So you can sell those too, and people buy them on Etsy as well. And here are some examples of digital products you can find on Etsy. Like, these are all clip art, for example. This is what it looks like. And this store right here is mostly selling just clip art. This is the type of product that they are selling. And if we use the tool called Everbee, that will allow you to spy on this store, we can see that there's a couple of listings this store is having that are generating sales on a regular basis. So this one right here, just last month, sold 189 times. And you see, the thing with Etsy is that Etsy like when you brand your store and you sell specific niches, but I think there's a little misconception when it comes to digital products. And this is coming from me, someone who has been selling digital products for the last year, and I've experimented with a lot of different formats. And here's the misconception that I'm talking about, okay? Building a brand and selling a niche doesn't mean that you have to sell just one type of product. So like, this person is only selling clip art, right? In reality, this person could sell different type of digital products, not just stick to clip art. And I find this actually to be the best strategy. I've tested it out on a bunch of different stores. I had the stores that I only sold one type of product, and I also had stores that sell a mix of different products. And the results were that it doesn't really matter if you just sell one type of product or mixed type of product. What does matter is that they have a cohesive theme, okay? So this store on Etsy is a great example of this, because they're selling a bunch of different products. As you can see, they have clip art, but they also sell t-shirt designs as well as tumbler wraps. They have kind of everything, and this is one of the top selling stores on Etsy. Look at these numbers: 2,000 sales in the month, 981, 918, 858, 783, and it's all bunch of different type of products that this store is selling. It's just not one thing. So it's okay to sell different type of digital products on one Etsy store, as long as they are cohesive, they stick to like similar themes, they give the similar vibe. It's completely fine to do that, and you don't have to limit yourself just to one type of products. And that's what I told my friend. So when we created his store, we decided to sell everything. We're selling clip art, we're selling digital paper, and we also sell AI prompts that we use to create digital paper and the clip art that we generated. Because since we already have these prompts ready, how about not use them and just sell them? We already have them. Now we just have to put them in the PDF file. Next thing we did was we identified hotties. And when I say hotties, I mean hot products on Etsy. And again, we used Everbee to do that, because Everbee will show you all the data that you need. So for example, right now I'm looking at the clip art niche, looking for some clip art ideas, and I'm just sorting it out to see the best sellers. I'm just trying to see what makes them special. This one is very popular right now, and it's just a bunch of images of cocktails. Here's another one with the forest animals, and then we have another one that's like a vintage Christmas clip art. So they are all very different products that are currently selling right now. So what we do kind of is we would try to combine the best ideas from each one of them and use whatever is special to this bundle and mix it up with another bundle and put it up together. So for example, this is an extremely popular Tumblr wrap that is utilizing the theme of Highland cows, which we also saw on clip art. It's also Christmas theme related Tumblr wrap. We also noticed that the color pink is extremely popular, and we found another listing that's not a Tumblr wrap, but it's a clip art bundle that's selling cats, and cats are also popular, but there's not a lot of cats that are pink or Christmas dressed. So we decided to combine the best features from that Highland cow that was pink and wearing Christmas theme outfit and put it up on the cat. That way we combined the best of two worlds and created something new. So the next thing I needed is to have a prompt that will create a similar design, just like the pink Highland cow wearing Christmas outfit, but I wanted a cat, so I need a prompt to do that. And to get that prompt, I downloaded the image from that Etsy listing, just like that. And then I went to Midjourney and used the command called describe that will describe the prompt for me. So I uploaded the image, click enter, and I asked Midjourney to show me all the examples of the prompts that it came out. It came out with the 4 different ideas. I want to see all of them. And here are the results, but none of them is what I'm looking for. As you can see, this is more watercolor serious, and this is more cartoonish and more cute. But what I can do is I can modify these prompts. So let's say I want to use this one, and then I'm going to modify a couple of words so I can get the results I'm looking for. So I modified the prompt. I basically changed the name from Highland cow to an extremely cute cartoonish looking cat wearing pink Christmas hat, because that's what I want. And I also added that I want it to be on a white background, so there's a little background that I can remove later on for the editing process. And let's see what happens. Okay, and the results are actually pretty good. This is actually extremely cute. It's wearing a pink hat and it's on a white background. That means that it's going to be easy for me to remove it in the post-editing steps. And speaking of removing background, I usually remove background in Photoshop, but I know that a lot of people that watch this video are not Photoshop savvy. So there's another alternative that works pretty well, and that is Canva. Canva can do it for you. All you have to do is create a design. So I'm going to create a custom size. And I'm going to do 4K by 4K. I really like number 1, so I'm going to download number 1. So here's the cat, and to remove the background, all I have to do is click on edit photo and click on BG remover, and watch this. And now the cat is transparent, but you cannot really see it because it's still on the white background. But if I download this cat as a PNG and I make sure that it's transparent, all the white background is removed and the cat is ready to go. I'll probably delete this section as well, but it's something that you can do relatively easy. So now, since I have my first cat, I would create 20 of those and put in a bundle of clip art that I will list later on Etsy. Also, since I have this prompt right here, I would save this up and put it on a PDF file with the list of other prompts. And I would sell as a prompt guide, kind of like this. So this listing, all it contains is prompts for cats that look like this. I already have a prompt. I just need to put it in a PDF file and sell it too. So technically I was creating 2 listings at the same time. So now me and my friend, we would do this for a month. We would list products every day using the method I just showed you. And now let's get to the good part and see how much money this store has generated over the first month. So here's the stats from yesterday. Yesterday, this store generated $66, 17 orders. Today, it's still early in the day, so we only got 7 orders, $18 generated. But let's look at the stats. So this account has been active for a while, since January 2023, but it didn't have anything really. It has like 2-3 listings. And in November, that's the time when we started listing. We started listing towards the end of November, and December was like an actual real month. As you can see, the traffic has drastically increased. So let me show you the data for December. And there it is, December 1st, December 31st, 4,689 visitors, and it's still going up. 346 orders. It's been pretty stable. Conversion rate 7.4, and the revenue is 1,200, and it's been constantly going up. The best selling day was actually December 31st. We made $83 that day. And ever since then, it's still going up. Since January started, I'm recording this on January 4th and it's constantly keeping that $60 range. And the actual profit after all the fees was $621. Oh, and we also have about 150 listings. And again, they includes clip art, digital paper, and AI prompts. We sell all of it combined together. And so far, it seems like this store is on a trajectory of more sales, especially since we are focusing on seasonal products. We also run ads, but I guess that's a topic for another video. If you want to hear more, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Consider joining my YouTube membership to get access to more content, our Discord, and weekly meetings. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you next time. Bye.